Yes, I ready.
Sir, for the year 2020-21, the budgetary grant for the atomic capital expenditure of atomic energy is 9,345 crores, whereas the revised figure is about 5,962 crores. But Honorable Minister has, in the earlier question, has stated that he has, during the current regime, so many power projects have been granted, nuclear power projects. In reality, there is the gap between the original estimates and the revised estimates is about 3,383 crores underutilization, under spending. So may I know what are the reasons for the underutilization of?
Thank you.
No, I agree with the honorable member. There's been a shortfall which happened in all the ministries, all the departments. It is not specific to this department or this ministry. This was mostly on account of COVID. And but in spite of the shortfall, this will not lead to any major adverse effects as far as generation is concerned, because, as I said, the generation actually has increased over the years because of the proactive involvement of our scientists and our workers. And not only that, in spite of this shortfall of the amount which you are mentioned between the budget and the allocation and the budget later approved, NPCIL, which controls these atomic energy plants, has been in a position to make monetary contributions to the cause of COVID, 26 crore directly, and in the form of CSR more than rupees 42 crore. In addition, it also, I would use this opportunity to place on record, its contribution in the times of COVID has been miraculous. In fact, it was the Department of Atomic Energy which for the first time came out with the mechanism of reusing the PP kits at a time when we were short of the PP kits. And it also came out with the COVID beep called Vikram. So, in spite of this shortfall, which was anticipated, and this happened in every department and every ministry, we have been able to cope up with it, and I'm sure in the years to come, this would be made good in the proper sense.
Thank you. Question number 51, M.V. Shreyans Kumar. Mr. M.V. Shreyans Kumar, absent. माननीय मंत्री जी,
उत्तर सभा पटल पर रख दिया गया।